Welcome to our roundup of the best slow cookers in this year. Whether you're preparing hearty stews, tender roasts, or set-it-and-forget-it meals for your family, we've handpicked the top slow cookers that deliver consistent heat, ease of use, and versatile cooking options, all designed to make home cooking effortless and convenient. We'll break down each cooker's key features like capacity, cooking modes, programmable settings, removable inserts, ease of cleaning, and safety features, so you can find the perfect slow cooker for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate slow cooker for you. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Instant Pot Pro Slow Cooker. Instant Pot is renowned for innovative, multifunctional kitchen appliances, and the Pro Slow Cooker combines all the convenience of a traditional slow cooker with modern technology. This model features 7-in-1 cooking functions, including slow cooking, pressure cooking, sautéing, and more, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The stainless steel removable inner pot provides even heat distribution and easy cleanup, while the programmable timer allows you to set cooking durations up to 24 hours. Its smart temperature control ensures your meals are cooked perfectly, whether it's a tender roast or a rich stew. The Instant Pot Pro Slow Cooker is ideal for busy families, meal preppers, and tech-savvy home cooks who want maximum versatility and convenience. It's praised for precise cooking, multifunctionality, and durability, though some users find the wide array of functions slightly overwhelming at first. Still, it's a premium, all-in-one slow cooking solution. Next up at number 4 is the Green Life 6-quart ceramic slow cooker. Green Life is known for eco-friendly kitchen appliances that focus on healthy, sustainable cooking. This slow cooker features a 6-quart ceramic insert, which distributes heat evenly and is safe for oven, microwave, and dishwasher use. Its non-stick ceramic coating ensures food releases easily and cleanup is a breeze. It includes simple low, medium, and high cooking settings, making it easy to prepare anything from soups and stews to casseroles and chili. The compact design and lightweight build make it suitable for small to medium households, dorms, or apartment kitchens. Green Life Slow Cooker is praised for user-friendly operation, even heating, and easy cleanup, though it lacks advanced programmable settings found in higher-end models. It's an excellent choice for everyday slow cooking, especially for those prioritizing healthy, non-stick cooking surfaces. Coming in at number 3 is the Hamilton Beach 6-quart Slow Cooker. Hamilton Beach is a trusted name in kitchen appliances, and this 6-quart model is designed for home cooks seeking reliable, hassle-free slow cooking. It features a large removable stoneware insert that retains heat evenly, ensuring consistent cooking results every time. The slow cooker has low, high, and keep warm settings, plus a dishwasher-safe lid and insert for easy cleaning. Its simple, intuitive controls make it ideal for first-time slow cooker users, while the ample 6-quart capacity accommodates family-sized meals or batch cooking for meal prep. Hamilton Beach is praised for durability, large capacity, and dependable cooking, though it doesn't offer the advanced programmability of high-end smart cookers. Still, it's a trusted choice for families who need a reliable slow cooker without any complicated features. At number 2, we have the Crock-Pot 7-quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker. Crock-Pot is a household name in slow cooking, and this 7-quart oval model is perfect for larger families, entertaining guests, or batch cooking meals in advance. The oval stoneware insert provides plenty of space for roasts, stews, and soups, while even heat distribution ensures consistent results every time. This model features low, high, and warm settings, along with a tempered glass lid for easy monitoring. Its classic design and user-friendly controls make it a reliable, set-it-and-forget-it option for busy households. The Crock-Pot Slow Cooker is praised for size, reliability, and simple operation, though some users note that cooking times may require occasional adjustment depending on the recipe. For anyone looking for a traditional, tried-and-true slow cooker, it's an outstanding choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Elite Gourmet Electric Slow Cooker. Elite Gourmet brings a blend of modern design and practical features, making this slow cooker ideal for home cooks who want both style and functionality. It features a 6.5-quart non-stick removable pot, perfect for large meals or multiple dishes at once. The cooker offers programmable digital controls, allowing you to set precise cooking times and adjust heat levels for low, medium, or high cooking. The removable lid and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup simple, and the cool touch handles ensure safe handling during cooking. Elite Gourmet is perfect for families, meal preppers, and anyone who loves convenience and consistency. It's praised for digital precision, ease of use, and large capacity, though it may be slightly bulkier than compact models. For those who want a modern, reliable, and versatile slow cooker, Elite Gourmet stands out as the top choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best slow cookers in this year. From the multifunctional Instant Pot Pro to the eco-friendly Green Life, the dependable Hamilton Beach, the classic Crock-Pot, and the modern Elite Gourmet, there's a slow cooker for every home, lifestyle, and cooking need. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can start cooking delicious, effortless meals at home today. Thanks for watching.